Okey, baiklah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh dan selamat malam. Selamat kembali ke webinar Modern Classroom Teach with Tech dan pada malam ini kita akan bercerita mengenai interactive lesson with Classpoint. Baiklah, saya nak melihat komen Cikgu Siti Aisyah. Oh, Cikgu Siti Aisyah Classpoint pernah guna masa pandemik dan sekarang menggunakan OneNote masa kelas. Okey, saya Nadira, moderator pada hari ini, malam ini. Jelas tak suara saya? Cikgu-cikgu boleh komen di ruang komen, jelas ke suara saya? Dan komen cikgu-cikgu daripada bersiaran ataupun menyertai webinar daripada mana? Daripada Sabah ke, Sarawak ke? Cikgu Shehnaz Afza. Okey, saya rasa suara saya jelas. Assalamualaikum cikgu semua. Cikgu Antoni, waalaikumsalam. Okey, baiklah. Okey, tanpa lengahkan masa lagi, saya nak sedikit memperkenalkanlah latar belakang penceramah kita pada hari ini, iaitu Teacher Shi Yuan Ling. Okey, baiklah. Teacher Shi Yuan Ling mendapat pingat penghormatan guru PPG, CEFR Master Trainer Edu Fluencer appointed by MOE, Delima Influencer, Co-founder of Media Education for All, Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert, guru dan juga guru peneraju generasi digital, Microsoft, Security Certified Educator, Google Certified Educator Level 1 and Level 2, Google Certified Trainer, Apple Teacher, Workload Community Leader and Workload Ambassador, Puzzle Coach dan Quizzes Super Trainer. Baiklah, dan pencapaian Teacher Shin Yuan Ling merupakan Champions of 3 Minutes PDPC Pitching 2022, Second Runner-up Paper Presentation Award International Conference on English Language 2021, Anugerah Emas Amalan Terbaik PDPC dan IR 4.0 K-STEM 2021, kemudian Gold Award for Teachers kategori International University Carnival on E-Learning 2021, Top 15 Cikgu Kickstart Award 2021, Second Runner-up Melta E-Classroom Teacher Competition 2021, Silver Prize 6 International Creativity and Innovation Exhibition 2021, Global Inspiring Women's Award 2020, Anugerah Inspirasi 2020, Anugerah PDP Kreatif dan Inovatif, Guru Semasa PKP 2020, Top 10 Pertandingan Bina Bahan PDPC Kreatif secara atas talian 2020, Top 25 FinCorp HIP Outstanding Teacher 2020, Merta Excellent in Research Award 2020, Top 50 Campaign Guru PAK 2021. Baiklah, sekali lagi selamat datang Cikgu TS Hazwan Mahmud hadir. Okey, Cikgu Aznia Abdullah yang orang kata setia lah sebagai penonton webinar Modern Classroom Teach with Tech. Okey, baiklah, seterusnya Teacher Shi, slide untuk Classpoint. Okey. Untuk Classpoint, Teacher Shi Yuan Ling telah dianugerahkan sebagai pemenang Mentor Madani 2023. Tahniah kepada Teacher Shi. Ini anugerah paling terkini lah, Mentor Madani 2023 daripada Classpoint. Dan merupakan sebagai pemangkin generasi madani. Okey, tanpa lengahkan masa, saya menjemput Teacher Shi masuk ke studio webinar Modern Classroom kita pada malam ini. Hai Teacher Shi, selamat malam. Jumpa lagi kita pada malam ini.
Ya.
Okey.
Halo.
Okey.
Ya,
Okey, baiklah tak.
teachers.
Okey.
Jadi teachers
Tahniah
first
Teacher
ya.
Shi. Cikgu Nabila Safri.
Cikgu
Congrats to
Suhaini,
you.
Cikgu Siti, Cikgu Shanaz, Cikgu Anthony, Cikgu Ania, Cikgu Haswan, Cikgu Pravin Dajit, Cikgu Nabila, thank you for your reach. Okay.
Okey.
So,
Tanpa
how
lengahkan
many?
masa lagi, saya Okay, dipersilakan Teacher Shi.
Thank you, my dear. Yeah, how many of you have tried Classpoint before this? How many of you use Classpoint before this? Cikgu Siti Aisyah, sebelum ini guna Classpoint kan? Kenapa sekarang tak ada guna dah? Boleh, actually we can mix and match with those others application. We can use make it more variety, not just one note or one class point or just only one, but among all those applications that we have introduced in this modern classroom teach with tag, you can mix and match and use it in your lesson. And if you think that this one is interactive enough and suitable for your lessons, you can use it. If like you use something every day, it will be bored, right? So students will feel bored, and also teachers also feel like using the same thing all over again. So Cikgu Hassan belum pernah cuba Google Classroom ada lagi. Okay, Nabila belum try, baru nak belajar. Okay, that means we have newcomer here. Okay, baiklah. So shall we start? Okay, welcome to Classpoint. Actually, if you first start off with this Classpoint, you go and search this Classpoint, right? They will ask you to install the latest version of this Classpoint. You all-in-one teaching tool in PowerPoint. Okay, when we talk about Microsoft PowerPoint, since young we are using Microsoft Words, we are using Microsoft PowerPoint, using Excel and so on. This powerful Microsoft stack. So it is nothing special about Microsoft PowerPoints. We know that it is so marvelous in creating, right? It's not like not special, but it is already familiar with the terms that using PowerPoint to create power in the points. So we use Classpoint to integrate it into this PowerPoint to make it a better version. Cikgu Arina, halo, selamat petang semua. Saya dari SMK, Melaka ya. Okay, fine. So welcome to Classpoint. And then you see the interface. We have this class code 67464. And then we have this class like this. Okay. Next, we look at the interface first here. We have interactive quiz types. We have presentation tools. We have gamification, and also how do you do with this My Class. Interactive quizzes overview. We have multiple choice. We have workaround. We have short answer. We have slide drawing, image upload, audio record, fill in the blanks, video upload, quick poll, and quiz mode. For the basic version, we are not able to use all this function, but if you think that after you have tried about this Classpoint, if you think that it is useful to you, you can upgrade it to Pro versions, premium version. Okay, Pro version is 100 plus. Okay, because I got this Classpoint Mentor Matani, so I got the Pro versions for free, so I can unlock all these features. Next, we look at these presentation tools. We have this annotations, whiteboard background, and then we have draggable objects. We can drag the objects from one place to another. Embedded browser. Okay, you can get whatever from the browser, and then we have name picker. I think that name picker is no longer a new term to you, because in quizzes also we have name picker. In what wall also we have this name picker. So we have share PDF, timer, and stopwatch. We can use it as a whiteboard, and then we have set timer and stopwatch for the students to answer according to the time given. Then next we have gamification. Intro to Classpoint gamification, we have levels and badges. When we talk about level and badges, it is about reward system. We know that students, even they are primary school students or secondary school students, do not neglect that they like rewards so much. They want to see their levels up, and also they would like to collect badges. So the reward system is somehow very important. For leaderboard, okay, we can see that the leaderboard, who is ranking the first and second. If you join my last night lessons, it was about quizzes, super features. So we can see the leaderboard from which one ranking 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's just getting excited when we see that the ranking is running, and then everyone is fighting for number one. And then we have this award star system. You can award stars manually for the students, and they can see the progress, whether today I earned how many stars, and also in the total, I have earned how many stars. So for my class, we have this one. Save classes, manage your save classes, create a save classes, and join a class. Okay, this is for you to join the class after this. So when we talk about create your free account, free, something is free. You look at this one. Teacher, you go to your Microsoft PowerPoint. You open your Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, if you have downloaded this Classpoint, right? Oh, yeah, I have to mention that you need to first download this Classpoint first, and then you will see that EndNote Classpoint. It is embedded in your Microsoft PowerPoint. Visit the Classpoint tab in the PowerPoint ribbon, and then you sign up. You can click in and create an account. Okay, first you have to go to, you can go to get the Classpoint first. Okay, I ask my moderator to give you the link if you want to install Classpoint. Okay, go to this website, and then you can get install Classpoint. Okay, my dear moderator, can you please this website at the comment section? Cikgu Fatin, 2 room means what? What does it mean by 2 rooms? Cikgu Harini, Cikgu Anissa. Okay, welcome Cikgu Anissa again. To see you. Okay, also this one, the same. Okay. This is the join class here, install. You can download at this place. Download for free, yeah? Okay. Look at this one. This is the one. Okay, share with you. This is the one. You can see Classpoint. Download. Click for this one. Experience enhanced presentation and annotation tools, interactive quiz questions, and a gamified reward system, all without leaving PowerPoint. So we can just download like this. Okay. This is a website, classpoint.io. Download. Okay, /io. Okay. Have you pinned? Yes. Thank you, Cikgu Marcus. Welcome. Okay, come back to our slide interface. And I assume that you have done downloading, install these apps embedded in your Microsoft PowerPoint and connect it to Classpoint. Classpoint is an interactive teaching add-in for PowerPoint. It is an add-in that empowers every educator to teach interactively and build strong live engagement with students. Okay, build strong engagement. Not just that, PowerPoint itself, but also we have engagement with the students. You see the tab, yeah? Once sign in, you will see various Classpoint tools and settings. You can see this is the person, the user, a multiple choice workaround, short answer, slide drawing, image upload, fill in the blanks, audio record, video record, and then you have my classes, trackable objects, whiteboard background, quiz summary, share. Okay, this is the interface of the Classpoint with the tab. And then if you do not know anything about it, do not panic. You can review, you can watch the tutorial sessions. Okay, unlock a whole new teaching experience in PowerPoint. Designed for every educator, Classpoint incorporates a comprehensive set of advanced presentation tools, interactive quizzes, and gamification features right inside PowerPoint. Now your PowerPoint is supercharged. Okay, when we say we charge the battery charge, then it is now supercharged PowerPoint because we have this gamified reward system, live presentation toolkit, interactive quizzes. Look at this gamified reward system. Boost classroom motivation and participation by gamifying your lessons with an all-new reward system. Reward and reinforce positive behavior in class participation or student achievement with stars. Okay, reward stars for them, award stars to encourage participation. And then we can have this levels, level ups here, badges, and then leaderboard, ranked by stars and levels on the fun leaderboard. Okay, next, the gamified reward system. Set up and manage classes. First of all, you have to set up and manage multiple classes right inside PowerPoint. Okay. First tell you how to set up your classes. Yeah. You go to my classes. As you can see that maybe your class there are more than 20 of the students. If you want, you have more than 4 classes. Okay. If I ask you to type one by one, maybe it is quite troublesome also. So how can we do it? We can actually download the template from my class there. That is a template. And then put in the students' attendance list. There is a name list of the students, right? So just copy paste the name list into the template and then upload to my classes. Then you will form all the participants in. You can enroll all your students. They can see their name there. Okay. bear in mind that if you have tried this before, long name like Malay name, Siti bin Abu Bakar, Siti binti Abdul Rahmat, like this. It is a long name, right? Long one. So just put Siti. The binti, the dot dot dot. Do not put it because they will show that too long. The name is too long. So Angelina, okay, what is a class? Okay, math class. We have this class code below that, MATH 7G. It is written by the teacher. Teacher, give your own class code. Okay, if like your bio class, of course, you will give bio 5G like that. English, T1. Okay, like this. History class, give abbreviation, and then like this, we can manage our class. This is the simple thing that we can set up our classes. First of all, if you do not want to type one by one, you can download the template and then put your students' name list there. You can add classes. Gamified reward system. Okay, I've easily engage students with or without devices. There are two ways, like students with device or without devices. You can use this Classpoint to interact with them. Just need one big screen to project everything on the screen, then they can see very well. So you can see Angela Primary 1 Maths class, 18 participants, and then view new Classpoint apps. Use code 40259 to join. Okay, you can award stars to all start new class like this. You can see this John Yan 18 stars, level 10. Okay, this one also 56 star, level 9. 56 star, okay, the badge 7. Okay, you can see different badges and also different ranking. They can see as well. So this is gamified reward system. It's like class dojo also mentioned that we reward stars to the students, right? Students are excited. So again, this one, it is easily used. Do not need to install other apps, not any extra apps, but it is embedded in add-in to PowerPoint. So it will be easier. Gamified reward system, star award system, stars to encourage class participation. Who choose A, and then we have this one. Give stars to all, and then give one by one manually. We have these levels and badges. Okay, student collect stars to level up and earn badges. Level 1, level 2, level 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Leaderboard. Spark friendly competitions with. Okay, number 1, 10 star. Okay, who is the first and then who is the next? Students can see their ranking, so they will feel excitement. Okay, competition. Look at this presentation tool. As you can see down here. Okay, do you see? Okay, you do not see. Okay, in PowerPoint presentation mode, use annotation tools and teaching tool from the toolbar. Okay, you can see navigation, left or right, cursor, laser, spotlight. Show you the laser spotlight. Okay, a pen, highlighter, eraser, shapes, text box, whiteboard, trackable objects, timer, embedded browser, quick poll name picker. Okay, look at this one. Timer. Start. 5 minutes timer is like this. Can you see my timer? Can I see?
Teacher tak nampak timer.
Tak nampak ya. Okay, tak apa. I show screen. Share screen now. Look at this one. Okay, you can see my interface, and then this is the timer. Let's say I want to put timer 2 minutes. They have to finish again. Okay, the countdown for you. Okay, pause. Okay, that's another one. Browser and then quick poll. Okay, we have this traffic lights in our classroom, right? To force. Okay, select the numbers of options for your poll, and then yes or no, unsure, feedback. Okay, start poll. Okay, now I want everyone to try. Visit www.classpoint.apps and use code 67464 to join. And can I have everyone to join akan? Can you give www.classpoint.app and then give the code to them to join? Okay, teacher, I'm waiting for you to join. www.classpoint.apps and use code 67464 to join.
Teacher, she guest not allowed. Guest not allowed. Mungkin boleh tekan dekat bahagian class code kat atas tu. Nombor class code.
Not allowed. Okay. Then I change one more class for you, yeah? Okay, give me a moment while I'm setting the class for you to join. Okay. So now you go to this class. Okay, testing 2. Testing 2, yeah. Can you see that? Testing 2.
Tak nampak class code.
Tak nampak passcode tak? Okay, can you see? Testing 2. Okay, I launch a poll again now. Can see or not? Okay. Okay. Testing 2, we start poll, yeah. We want feedback. Okay. Okay, you can join Classpoint.apps. Okay, and then use the code testing2 to join. Write your name.
Masih juga not allowed. Teacher Shi.
Yes,
Tapi
not allowed.
Teacher Shi, kalau dia not allowed, Teacher Shi tekan je dekat class code tu. Present macam biasa. Dia dekat class code tu kita kena allowkan guest.
Ini dapat masuk, ada orang dapat masuk. Ada orang dapat masuk. Okay. Okay, sudah dah. Ada orang dapat masuk. Cikgu. Okay. Got it.
Teacher Shi dah present ke?
Belum. Sekarang kat Classpoint. Okay. So share. Yeah. Here. Okay, 8 participants. How many more? Okay, you see I award star to all. Okay, you get to enter the class, then you get 2 stars. Okay, those who are late, later you get 1 star. Okay, how many more? Okay, you see the total star rank. Okay, Cikgu Mai and more. Then Cikgu Ida. Okay, current class rank. Okay, you will see like this. Insert a slide. Then you will show to your students like this. Okay. Then back. We start our poll today. Okay, we have 5 feedback. Okay, what do you think about this Classpoint? Is it good? Number 1 to number 5. 5 is the best. I didn't get, yeah? Okay. Okay. Okay, what do you think about this class point? As you are able to enter the class. Okay, good. This is how you're testing. Okay. Test 10 participants responded. Okay, we have music. Okay, we close submission. Okay, one more. Close submission, yeah. Okay, this poll you can put it in your slide as well. Okay, shall we continue? Shall we continue to explore more on the class point? Okay, navigation cursor. Okay, we have this one. Just now we have tested quick poll, leaderboard, and then we have tested timer and get into the class. Okay, draggable items. Convert anything on your slides to draggable objects and move them around during slideshow. Okay, you can move around and then enable the drag functions to objects such as text, images, or shapes in edit mode. Shapes in edit mode, yep. Okay, you can drag. When students are allowed to drag, right, they will feel happy. Name pickers, it is not a new term to you. Make pop recitations fun and randomly select students' names. Last night we have Robin. Yeah, Robin. Do you see my slide? My dear moderator, they didn't see the slide yet.
Teacher tak present lagi. Okey, baru keluar.
Or just now, cannot see. Okay, this one. Trackable items. Move around the items and then from here, okay, arm bone, where is arm bone, where is the hip bone, where is the leg bone. Okay, then you can drag and label the skeleton. Next, we have name pickers. Yeah, just now we mentioned that we can randomly select students' names. Spin the wheel or select from hidden name cards to encourage full participation and keep students' attention. Interactive quiz questions. There are 8 types of interactive quiz questions like multiple choice, word crowd, short answer, picture upload, fill in the blanks, audio record, video upload. Okay. Can we test on word crowd? Can we have students to answer? Okay, look at this one now. What are the sea creatures that you can see in the picture? Ikan. Ikan apa? Ikan. Dolphin, yes. Octopus. Squid. Turtles, penyu. Sotong. Okay, I cannot see the screen also to show entire screen. Okay. Okay, reward star. Okay, we have this. Kuda laut, squid, ketam, nipah, dolphin, octopus, turtle, starfish, sotong, crab, penyu, tabak Sulaiman. Okay, good. And I can insert as a slide. Okay, I can insert as a slide. And next, multiple choice question thing. Look at this one, yeah. What are the sea creatures that you can see in the picture? I've given you A, dolphin, sea turtles, crab, starfish. You can choose multiple answer. You can select multiple answer. For those who are newcomer, type www.classpoint.apps and then use code testing2 to join. Okay, close submission. Quiz summary. Okay, Eunice, you got it right. Okay, then Angie, SS, Dahlia, Cikgu Mai, Cikgu Haswan, Cikgu Ida, Cikgu Siti. Okay, download report. Okay, back to this one. Next, short answer. Okay, short answer. Next, what are the sea creatures that you can see in the pictures? Okay, allow short answer. Those newcomer, you can join www.classpoint.app and use code testing2 to join. You can send more responses, yeah? You can send more than one responses. Octopus, turtle, dolphin, starfish, crab. Okay. What else? Okay, getting more and more people. So can we have www.classpoint.apps? Use the code testing2 to join. Starfish. Dolphin, turtle, crab, octopus, tabak Sulaiman, kuda laut. Yeah, seahorse. Do you see a seahorse? Ikan paus. Okay, look at this one. Okay, turtle, starfish, octopus, and then dolphin, crab. This one, seahorse. Okay, this is the one. Okay, close submission, yeah. Award star to all. Okay, good. You got a lot of star. Okay, insert as slide. This is a response from you. Okay, short answer. Okay, we have this submissions. Okay, next. Interactive quiz questions. Turn slides into interactive quizzes. Just now when I want to mention about my question type. Okay, this is the question type that I use to give to you to test on Classpoint, right? Okay, I would like to say that one questions, actually there are many ways to ask. This is the way you ask them and then to enable their answer like this. For the very first beginning, why I do not want to use multiple choice. Can you see my arrangement? I do not want to use multiple choice because I want to prompt your answer first. I want to prompt your answer. So I give word crowd. Okay, I give word crowd so that everyone can gather the information about the vocab of the sea creatures. Can you see my screen? Yeah? Okay, yeah. That's why this is the same questions. What are the sea creatures that you can see in the pictures? But the way I ask is like the first thing is the word crowd. I gather the vocabulary all together, and then the second times I give you multiple choice questions. Multiple choice question, I allow you to select many choices, more than one choices, and then you can select or you see the spelling of the words, and then you know what is the name of the sea creatures that you cannot recall, and then it's prompt your um, schemata. Okay, catalyze your schemata, and then you think of the vocabulary of the sea creatures. And then the last one, the last step, I give you to answer short answer. So in these three ways of asking, every ways of asking prompt your learning. Okay, but still we are focusing on the same questions. What are the sea creatures that you can see in the picture? That's why through this repetition, I can see that learners are learning from that process. Also, teachers are learning, right? Teachers can get the gist of getting all those animals name and then type in the Classpoint class there. Then next we have this one. Okay. Interactive quiz questions. Add questions to slides. Okay, turn slides into interactive quizzes. Actually, we do not. We just design your slide, add the question button, and then customize your question. But when you ask the student to join the class, then it will be enable the live versions of asking questions. Interactive quiz question, full participation and assessment. As you can see that collect and view responses live and presentation mode. Click the question button to start collecting students' responses. Watch submissions as they come in from students' devices. Okay, we can see 26 of them answer. Okay, then we close submission. It is an all-in-one teaching tool in PowerPoint. With all the tools integrated seamlessly into PowerPoint, Classpoint aims to help educators use tech with ease. Okay, is it easily available for multiple choice, word crowd, short answer, slide drawing, image upload, fill in the blanks, audio record, this one, or this just now I have mentioned the interface. But now today I would like to talk about Classpoint AI. Do you know Classpoint AI? What do you understand by AI? Can we have a teacher comment at the comment section? What is AI? Do you know how it's work for Classpoint AI? Have you heard of Classpoint AI? Artificial intelligence, yes. Have you heard of AI, right? So now I'm going to show you the promo of Classpoint AI, the video. Okay, wait. Show you the video, yep. You can't imagine how good is it. Okay, before I show it to you. The new feature is going to launch soon. Classpoint AI. Okay, see. Okay, what is Okay, is it interesting? AI Classpoint untuk pro je kan? Bukan. AI Classpoint untuk semua. Tapi AI Classpoint belum launch lagi. If you want to first try, you can join the waiting list. You can join the waiting list, yep. And I'm off the waiting list, and then I can try Classpoint AI. Okay, look at this one. Classpoint's new AI technology can now instantly generated questions for your transforming presentations further into interactive learning experience. They can read your slide. If like just now I talk about animal sea creatures, right? They read my topics and then they come up with questions directly, and also they will suggest answers. So it's like lack of thinking. So I do not need to think so much because people tend to think so much and then they have migraine. So Classpoint AI is a technology that is human beings. So you see, hi, I am Classpoint AI. This is the icon. I can sort some questions out of your on view presentation slide to be answered in a quiz session by generating questions and options. Generating questions and also options. What is Classpoint AI? This new and innovative feature that uses AI technology to generate quiz questions from any PowerPoint slide. Any PowerPoint slide. You give me something about sea creatures, I will generate questions about sea creatures. If you give me something about cars, transportations, then I will generate questions from this topic and also options as well. A quiz making sidekick that read your PowerPoint slide is as if reading your mind and write an academic questions using Bloom's taxonomy levels. We know that Bloom taxonomy start with knowledge at the very beginning, and then we have this analysis, synthesize, and then in the end analytical questions. Then they will form the questions based on the level that you want the students to answer. If like level 6 for PBD, uh, TP5, TP4, TP3, 2, 1, like that. You can choose for different types of questions. There's three types, yeah. Multiple choice, fill in the blanks, and short answer. As we have tested just now, we have multiple choice, fill in the blanks, and short answer, and generate multiple questions to get the best question for your learning objectives. They will generate multiple questions for you to choose. Which one do you want? Let's say you think this is the best one for my students. Okay, I pick it. So benefits integrated directly in PowerPoint and help you instantly create more interactive lessons. If like you have created PowerPoints before this, right? You have so many slides, you can change this one to interactive one. Instant time saver and no prompt writing needed. Flexible and customizable with different question types. Okay, it is flexible when you give them a transportation, then they come up with the topic of transportation. Then when you give them this PowerPoint, Classpoint AI, sea creatures, they will come up with something related to sea creatures. If I ask them about maths, subtraction equation, then they'll come out with that questions for you. Not only for English, for all subjects and for all forms of languages, you can use this Classpoint AI. Questions are intelligence and academic. Available in multi languages, as I say, not just English, but also Bahasa Tamil, Bahasa Cina, okay, and so on. Japanese languages, Bahasa Arab, and so on. So this is how technology and the advancement of the innovative feature. What is gamified reward system? Then we can see that PowerPoint and the ClassPoint, and then with this AI quiz. You see, a system that rewards players for completing a game. This is A, B, C, D. It is suggested by the AI, and then the correct answer is boy. A system that rewards user for completing tasks. Save as slide. Auto-generated questions from slide material. Using any PowerPoint you already have, let Classpoint AI read one or a slide and create a thought-provoking question out of it. So you show them one, they will show you a lot in return. There is no input needed, just sit back and let Classpoint AI seamlessly analyze your slide and apply Bloom's taxonomy levels in its assessment question output. See, remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Okay, this is the taxonomy bombs. And then we have this 3 types of questions and save. Next. Multiple questions can be generated. You see, what is the definitions of? Can they read and they come up with everything. Cool, isn't it? You can also ask Classpoint AI to generate more questions if you want options or multiple questions on the same topic. Can you see that? What do you think? Interesting. Okay, Cikgu Nabila say interesting. Okay, look at this one. Questions saved as slides. Want to save your questions? You can save any auto-generated question as a slide. Okay. They generate the questions and then you save as slide and it becomes your PowerPoint slides. It's like just now when you have answered the questions in Classpoint, then I save the report, I save your answer, and it will be my slides. Then they can check the answer, generate another. If like you feel you feel that this question is not good, you can generate another. Turn it into an interactive quiz. With Classpoint's interactive questions, you can add a question button to your slide, such as multiple choice, fill in the blanks, and short answer, to turn your slide into a question activity that your students can participate in. Once you add the button to the Classpoint AI question slide, the number of choices and the correct answer will automatically be set. And you can enter presentation mode to run your questions with your live students. Okay, you can see this. Show correct answer, how many answer, and then how many of them, award star system. Okay, next. How do I begin using Classpoint AI? Classpoint AI is added right to the Classpoint toolbar available during slideshow mode. Just click on the AI icon and Classpoint AI will open up ready to assist. Click generate questions and Classpoint AI will begin writing a question from the content on your slide. Okay, before this, before I generate this idea for you, can you go to that you waiting list, right? So you can go to Classpoint AI. You can now register to this. Join the wait list. Okay, I give you the link. Can you see? Itu Kak Anissa menarik. Okay, back ya. Ideas on how to use Classpoint AI. Use Classpoint AI to prep interactive questions before class and add quick understanding checks during class, or to instantly turn your PowerPoint presentations into a review session. Also use Classpoint's AI quiz generator along with Classpoint's other tools such as the interactive questions, gamification styles, and leaderboard, name picker, and whiteboard tools. Everything in Classpoint can be used with Classpoint AI. Prep activity questions. Before class, you can plan on asking your students questions regarding your lesson material. Save yourself the time by having Classpoint AI come up with and write the question for you. This is the happiest thing that you have because you do not need to squeeze your brain juice anymore because someone is going to write for you. You can use these questions in a number of ways, but there might be most helpful in your lesson to warm up students' brain. Just now, I give you warm up, pre-access knowledge, or to stimulate your schemata, and then you think back what is it with your background knowledge. Practice recall. Check understanding, conduct formative assessment. Okay, PBT is a form of formative assessment that we continuously assess students in the classroom, outside the classroom, or any situations and conduct formative assessment. Ideas on how to use Classpoint AI. Ad hoc understanding checks. Whenever you need to stop and gauge understanding on your new lesson material, use Classpoint AI to quickly and instantly produce a checkpoint question based on your slide. You can ask the class to answer this quick question in a few ways. Run a Classpoint quick poll, which they can use their devices to answer. Have each student write their answer on a whiteboard or a piece of paper to ensure everyone thinks and produces their own answer. Even in the classroom, right? You can ask them to write on the whiteboard and also a piece of paper to ensure their understanding. Use Classpoint name picker to randomly draw one or multiple students to answer. If you put students on the spot, make sure to reward them with a star for their effort. So you can give them stars. Like just now, I like giving stars to the students, to the learners, and automatically they will collect more and more stars. Do not feel stingy to give them more. Because the more you give, the more you will receive from the students, from the learning outcomes. Review game at the end of a unit, chapter, module. Take your lesson presentation material and generate review questions. Insert each question as a slide and drag all the questions to the end of your presentation for an instantly planned and seamless review session. Turn it into a game by awarding class point stars and revealing the leaderboard. Okay, do you have questions? Okay, if like after you install the class point, right, you can go to the tutorial there and then you can have this video. Okay, teachers, do you have questions? Do you want me to show you the hands-on? How do we create this class point questions? You just need to create a slide as usual and then add on to the features. Do you have any questions? Okay, teachers, do you have questions? Okay, if you do not have questions, then it is time to watch the video. Okay. Okay, in this this is a Classpoint interface. And then we have this tutorial. You can see the gamification.
Use Classpoint's gamification reward system and save classes throughout your presentations. Award student stars when they participate in your lesson. Their stars will accumulate and earn badges, and you can view students' rank from the leaderboard. Add all your classes and student lists right into PowerPoint, and use them in your presentation to track and reward students. Open the My Class window to start your class and award stars freely. Students do not need a device to earn stars. You can award or deduct stars whenever you'd like to reinforce achievement, behavior, or participation. It's up to you. You can also award stars when using the random name picker. If your students are joining from their device to answer interactive questions, you can also award stars inside the activity. Each star participants earn gets them closer to earning a new level badge. Reveal student placement on the leaderboard to take that motivation one step further. View current class rank and their recent awarded stars. And with saved classes, see student progress through their total earned stars from every class session. With saved classes and Classpoint's gamification rewards, you can create audience-involved PowerPoint sessions and achieve engaging and motivating lessons.
Okay. This one is the presentation tool.
Create engaging presentations that involve every participant by turning your PowerPoint slide into an interactive question with Classpoint. With 8 different activities to choose from, you can assess your students' knowledge and practice learning in all kinds of ways. Ask open-ended questions with a short answer question, work on brainstorming with word cloud, or even practice their verbal communication skills with an audio record question. Although there are 8 different activity types, they are all set up, ran, and reviewed in similar ways. Let's walk through it. To get started, create a slide that you want to turn into an interactive activity by writing your question. You also need to include the answer choices if you are running a multiple choice question. Now, to make this question interactive, click the Activity button on the Classpoint tab to place the button on your slide. You'll notice the Side Question panel is open, showing the question settings for you to customize. Each question type has its own customizable settings. For multiple choice, you can set the correct answer or answers. Every question also has play options. These options determine how your activity is played on your slide. To run every question the same, set your default options to be applied every time new buttons are added to your slides. Now, let's present our interactive question slide. When you are presenting, you students can join your class via classpoint.app with the class code and their name. Click the button to begin the activity. Your audience will receive the submission box on their device and can submit their response. As responses come in, you gain real-time feedback and insight from your students, and they get the chance to self-assess as they view the class results. Click inside any of the responses to view details on who submitted it and award stars to those that got the answer correct. For activities with individual responses, any response can be deleted for the participant to try again and resubmit if the question is still open. Check the live status to determine if anyone has not submitted yet. If you'd like to hide the responses from view before participants are done responding, click the eye icon or minimize the window. You can see the clock and the number of participants that have submitted on the button and at the bottom of the activity window. When ready, close the activity and review the responses as a class. Use the search bar, award stars to individuals who submitted a superb response, or the whole class for participating. A single response can be inserted as a slide to be discussed further, or you can insert them all. The responses automatically save, so you can come back anytime to review the responses in the green button. Or, back in edit mode, review the results after the session and download them to share or review at a later date. And that's it! Get 100% student participation and involvement during your lessons by creating, running, and reviewing interactive Classpoint activities.
Okay, one more.
Start using Classpoint's presentation tools in your PowerPoint presentations to capture attention, spark ideas, and inspire learning. These tools are located on the Classpoint toolbar or teaching tools to help. Starting with the advanced annotation tools, you can focus audience attention with the laser pen and aid audience understanding by adding notes on your slides with pens, highlighters, text boxes, and shapes. Run out of room? No problem. Instantly add a whiteboard slide to your presentation to continue explaining and visualizing concepts. Classpoint also has added teaching tools to improve your lessons and help manage your in-class activities right in PowerPoint. Try using draggable objects to move your slide content around during your presentations, to interact with your teaching material, or create an activity out of your slide. Classpoint also includes the ability to start a timer or stopwatch anytime you need. Search the web with an embedded browser right inside PowerPoint. And randomly select names in an exciting and efficient way. With all of these added tools to PowerPoint, you can begin enhancing your lessons with better engagement, delivery, and learning.
Okay, that's all from the presentation and also from the video tutorial. So do you have any questions to ask regarding Classpoint? Do you have any questions to ask? And also, do you want me to show you how to do the hands-on? Okay, any questions? I assume there's no questions. Okay, then can I have my moderator back to you?
Okay, thank you Teacher Shi. Okay, baiklah. Terima kasih kepada Teacher Shi. Cikgu-cikgu kalau ada nak bertanya ataupun nak minta Teacher Shi demo untuk hands on boleh cakap boleh komen di ruang komen. Mungkin nak tengok macam mana nak buat quiz, macam mana nak letak word cloud dan sebagainya lah. Okay. Ada cikgu-cikgu yang nak bertanya mengenai macam mana nak buat slide ataupun sebagainya.
Any questions?
Okey, sambil tu saya akan kongsi link kehadiran kepada cikgu-cikgu. Okey, boleh isilah link kehadiran. Alright. Classpoint ni antara yang menarik Classpoint ni sebenarnya kalau kita dah ada slide dan cikgu-cikgu mengajar menggunakan PowerPoint, kelebihan menggunakan Classpoint ni kita tak perlu nak keluar masuk slide tu. Maksudnya kalau kita nak buat quiz, kita duduk dalam slide kita tu sahaja. Contoh kalau nak buat picker, wheel of name, tak perlu buka another browser, lepas tu tutup PowerPoint, buka browser, buat wheel of name, tutup browser lagi, buka semula PowerPoint, tak perlu. Jadi dalam Classpoint tu sendiri, kita dah ada dengan menggunakan slide, dah ada features Classpoint dah untuk kita buat wheel of name Classpoint tu. Lepas tu yang rank 2 in 1. Dan class rank ataupun board leader tu sangat menarik lah sebabnya sebelum ni masa bulan 2, bulan 3 kalau ada cikgu-cikgu dalam ni yang mengikuti bengkel modern classroom dekat SSTP Selangor, kita ada buat slot Classpoint. Dan slot Classpoint tu bila cikgu-cikgu sendiri untuk buat quiz tu, okey. Ada soalan daripada Cikgu Sin untuk Teacher Shi?
Sean dan Olivia. Untuk buat quiz tu, dia generate untuk soalan dalam bahasa BI sahaja ke? Kalau dalam bahasa BM boleh. You cakap yang you mention about AI kan, Classpoint AI kan. So boleh dia dalam multi languages. Not just BI, BM, Japanese, whatever languages that we do not know. And then you need it, then you can get it from this AI quiz Classpoint AI. But Classpoint AI is not launched yet. So you have to go back to the waiting list there, wait for it, and then you get to see, try at the very first beginning, like early bird trying. Then the official launch, then everybody can use it. So far, we are still at the waiting list. I have off the waiting list because I promote a lot about Classpoint.
Okey. Jadi cikgu-cikgu yang ada buat slide masa mengajar, masa zaman-zaman PKP dulu, masa mengajar, duduk dekat rumah, slide itu sebenarnya jangan buang. Jangan delete, jangan buang. Itu, berharga tu. Dia kira, digital asset untuk cikgu-cikgu. Kita, super features kan, dengan slide-slide cikgu yang cikgu dah buat dulu masa zaman-zaman PKP, penat-penat dulu, cantik-cantikkan slide tu, kita tambah dengan, features Classpoint. Buat soalan, buat quiz, buat apa ni, multiple choice, buat word cloud, kita tambah dekat setiap slide tu kita tambah feature-features tu. Boleh tunjuk cara buat soalan matematik melalui AI?
Cikgu yang pengen yang AI tu belum launch lagi. So kalau you nak buat soalan quiz dalam mathematics, boleh je you bagi topics tu like fractions, like in Chinese is called 分数. Then you can type the topics and then it will come up with the questions. This is what AI can do. What AI can do beyond human efforts.
Ya, AI masih dalam waiting list cikgu-cikgu. Kalau nak, daftar dulu Classpoint, nanti akan dapat, link email atau dan sebagainya lah untuk kita masuk dalam waiting list, AI punya Classpoint.
AI Classpoint waiting list, okay. Bagi link untuk cikgu-cikgu masuk dulu lah. Yang ni,
Okey, boleh. Okey, cikgu.
yang last tu AI
Oh,
Classpoint.
AI okey, okey. Okey, saya akan, kongsikan dekat ruang komen. Ini adalah link untuk cikgu-cikgu masuk untuk waiting list, AI punya Classpoint. Macam mana nak try apa ni, free trial untuk cikgu-cikgu. Nanti masa dah launching, AI punya Classpoint ni, cikgu-cikgu boleh cubalah dengan free trial. Okey. Teacher Shi dah isi kehadiran ke? Oh dah nampak dah nama Teacher Shi. Okey. Okey.
Pin again lah.
Pin ya, kejap.
Pin again yang itu waiting list. Bukan waiting list. Itu attendance saya takut
Attendance.
cikgu-cikgu lepas.
4,000 lebih. 4,000 lebih ya waiting list AI Classpoint.
Cikgu dah bilang, okay, cikgu Sean. 4788.
4788.
It's the lucky number. Wait for the launch now.
Okey. Alright, saya rasa
Itu attendance bagi 2 kali lagi lah.
kejap Sekejap. Okey. Ya, Classroom AI, Classpoint AI ni tool yang baru, belum guna lagi dan masih dalam waiting list Cikgu Aisyah. Cikgu kena masuk, isi link ai.classpoint.io yang saya dah kongsikan tadi untuk mendapatkan, waiting list untuk features, Classpoint AI ni. Okey. Classpoint ni kalau tadi cikgu-cikgu boleh buat kelas, maksudnya dalam satu slide tu, cikgu-cikgu boleh set banyak kelas. Jadinya kalau satu slide tu, kalau hari ni, kalau pukul 10 kelas, 1 amanah, slide yang sama boleh guna dekat kelas 1 bijak, maksudnya macam tu. Dan apa yang dalam kelas 1 amanah tu yang cikgu dah bagi bintang kepada budak-budak belajar-belajar, dia takkan hilang. Dia akan simpan dalam tu juga. Jadi boleh sambung dekat next class untuk kita buat penilaian pada pelajar-pelajar, macam tu lah. Dia takkan hilang dia punya record tu.
Tahu tak, itu budak saya sangat suka itu star system. Dia tiap kali tanya saya, berapa star, berapa star?
Betul.
Kan saja berapa star? Okay, bukan saja PowerPoint saja ya. Dalam bold apa-apa task pun mereka tanya berapa star, berapa star. Yang dulu-dulu kan kelas dojo first highlight this star system, star reward system. Lepas tu kan Classpoint pun integrated, they think that this is good to have this star system, star reward system, so dia pun buat. So apa-apa dia fikir lah baik juga dia ambil juga, like wheel of name mereka buat juga. Sebab exciting.
Oh, faham. Tak pernah guna quiz lagi. Cikgu Aisyah boleh gunakan quiz dalam Classpoint ni. Kita letak multiple choice, letak word cloud, letak apa ni, boleh lukis, draw, boleh letak voice.
Itu more to pro version. So
Provision.
kebanyakan yang saya tengok tu pro version sebab saya dapat pro punya, so banyak features boleh guna. Tapi kalau basic version kan, mereka hanya boleh limited to 5 slides only.
5 slide dan 25 participant sahaja. Oh, Cikgu Wahidah dah masuk dalam waiting list 4795. Okey.
This is your lucky number. Cikgu Nur Fahidah.
Okey. Cikgu Shi, kita nak teruskan dengan sesi cabutan bertuah ke? Sambil-sambil
Selepas launching kan, kita akan buat session about Classpoint AI again for different subjects like Cikgu Wing Peng Hing cakap nak try untuk maths, try untuk science, try untuk BMBI, okay. Then we have to wait for the launch first.
Okey. Ada Cikgu Wen Beng Hing tanya.
Bahan PowerPoint boleh tak guna dalam kelas perlainan? Boleh. Perlu ubah PowerPoint asal tak perlu. Atau perlu copy untuk setiap kelas, tak perlu change kelas. Dalam Classpoint itu kita ada edit kelas. So you boleh edit kelas untuk yang kelas itu. PowerPoint tetap sama saja, just the class code is different. Just now I changed, right? From the first one, the class code cannot be used, and then I use the testing one, right? So change class code only. I like to use Classpoint cause other whiteboard. Other whiteboard. Okay. Juga boleh customize the background of the whiteboard using your images, your own images that you think that it is attractive. Ataupun guna dia punya yang setiap ada garis punya dan juga white color whiteboard, itu setia ada. Tapi kalau you nak tambah sendiri punya pun okay, image sendiri sebagai whiteboard, sebagai background. Ada soalan lagi? Cikgu
I like to
Wembehan,
use Classpoint. Ada
did I
whiteboard.
answer your question? Okay, then I think we can go with our lucky draw.
Lucky draw, okay.
Customize, yes, because
Okay, kejap eh. Okay. Okay, baiklah. Kita terus masukkan ke sesi kita yang seterusnya. Sesi penutup. Sesi lucky draw. Kadang-kadang image tak dapat wujud untuk murid. Why? Kadang-kadang image tak dapat wujud untuk murid. Kenapa?
image. Apa image yang tak boleh wujud? Saya bagi details. Oh, okay. Maybe yang slide you tu image tak boleh wujud. Mungkin device, dia guna device internet connection. Like saya punya video pun hang, lag sebab internet connection. Saya cuba draggable object tapi masa kelas masih dah jadi ada tutorial draggable object.
Mungkin cikgu tak tekan gambar tangan tu masa draggable kot. Sebab tu dia tak boleh bergerak.
Kena drag. Ya, dia ada cursor, lepas tu dia ada tangan. Okay, you kena drag. You cuba lagi dengan tangan.
Files. Ni ke?
Okay, adapun saya bagi satu video tutorial untuk draggable object. Okay. Kak, saya bagi satu video tutorial untuk draggable object.
To use this tool during your presentation, first set up your slide. Any non-animated text, shapes, or images can be turned into a draggable object. To make them draggable during your presentation, click the Draggable Objects icon. Select the object that you would like to be able to move around during your presentation, or select multiple objects by holding the Shift key while you click. Then, click the toggle to enable drag. The number of drag-enabled objects on the slide is noted here. Click to view which objects they are. Now your slide and draggable objects are ready for your presentation. When you reach a slide with objects that can be moved, the draggable objects will be highlighted to remind you they're there. To move them, you must first click the draggable objects icon on the toolbar, which will highlight them again. Then, click and hold an object to move it anywhere on your slide. The new position of the objects will be saved as you move through your presentation. You can reset the position of the draggable objects back in PowerPoint edit mode to get ready for your next presentation. Click Reset in the Classpoint tab and reset your draggable objects. You're now ready to engage your participants and share information in a new, dynamic way.
Okay, Cikgu Noreli ya, Cikgu Noreli. Jelas tak video tu? Saya ulang sekali ya. Semasa you drag kan, you kena enable draggable object. Lepas tu you kena shift. Shift untuk select semua objek itu. Contohnya ada 8 kan, you select 8. Lepas tu dia akan keluar itu, dia keluar highlighted objek yang boleh drag. Lepas tu you kena bagi draggable objects yang toggle sana. You kena enable toggable draggable object. Lepas tu dia akan tunjuk you 8 yang you boleh drag. Lepas tu bagi yang presentation slide, Lalu you tekan lagi trackable object, lalu boleh drag. Dia akan highlight lagi apa yang budak-budak boleh drag, ya baru boleh drag. So a few times of pressing trackable object. Kena mungkin yang you tak boleh drag sebab you kurang beberapa steps untuk trackable objects. Firstly, you select kan, you sudah select trackable object, ya, you select shift untuk object semua. Lepas tu kan you pergi sebelah right hand side, dia akan keluar toggle lagi, cakap trackable object you kena on kan. Lepas tu kan kena klik tangan, ya. Baru dia akan select ada number lah, 8 yang boleh drag. Bawah tu dia trackable object, dia ada tangan. Lepas tu dia akan highlighted yang boleh drag, baru boleh drag. Kalau you nak reset balik, pergi reset, dia akan balik ke position yang sebelum ini. Okay? Good. Faham ya? Okay, Cikgu Siti. Okay. Okay. We shall progress with our lucky draw.
Okay. Lucky draw. Okay. Dah nampak ke? Belum. Okay. Okay, baik. Lucky draw kita pada malam ini dan sesi terakhir dengan Teacher Shi. Terakhir dah kita. Okay, baiklah. Saya harap Teacher Shi menang hari ini. Okay.
Ya.
Cabutan bertuah yang pertama. 1, 2, 3. Yang pertama jatuh kepada Cikgu Maisyara Mansur. Tahniah Cikgu. Okey, cabutan yang kedua. Cabutan yang kedua untuk Classpoint pada hari ini, Cikgu Nur Farahida binti Ahmad Saleh. Okey, kita berbaki lagi 3 cabutan bertuah. Yang ketiga, Cikgu Koksiutin. Baiklah. Koksiutin Cikgu. Okey, yang keempat.
Mana nama saya?
Cikgu Tuan Salina binti Tuan Baru. Okey. Kita tinggal satu lagi cabutan bertuah. Yang kelima. Satu lagi. Come on. Cikgu Diana Daidah Kayunon. Okey, baiklah.
Cikgu Diana.
Cikgu Diana. Okey, tahniah kepada cikgu-cikgu yang dapat cabutan bertuah pada malam ini dan seterusnya tinggi-tinggi penghargaan dan tinggi-tinggi terima kasih, sebanyak-banyak terima kasihlah pada Teacher Shi yang mengisi kita punya slot-slot webinar Modern Classroom Teach with Tech dan cikgu-cikgu yang setia bersama webinar Modern Classroom Teach with Tech pada malam ini, pada setiap malam. Cikgu Anissa, nama-nama yang saya familiar, yang selalu nampak Cikgu Anissa, yang antara yang familiar lah, setiap malam ada. Cikgu Lee Sunfat.
Cikgu Lee Sunfat dapat lucky draw. Hai cikgu sayang, you baru sampai ya. Okay, pin komen cikgu sayang. Okay, thank you so much. Selalu excited selalu. Cikgu sayang kenapa hari ini you lewat ya? Sampai ya.
Cikgu Aznia pun saya selalu nampak. Cikgu Dayanku Siti. Tadi saya nampak ada Cikgu Linzak masuk dalam webinar kita juga pada malam ini. Okey. Ada. Mana tadi? Ada awal-awal tadi. Saya cari balik. Ni. Cikgu Linzak. Okey.
Cikgu Siti. Hadir support. Tak nampak tu. Cikgu Siti, thank you. Thank you so much for the sharing session, Cikgu Nabila, Cikgu Intan. Kalau yang late comer atau ada parallel sessions untuk presentation kita, webinar kita berlangsung pada masa yang sama. So kalau you miss satu session, kalau you rasa nak tengok lagi, you boleh rewatch the video.
Ya, ada rakaman. Kita tak buang rakaman ni, kita tak keluarkan. Ada di channel AR EduTech ataupun Digital Classroom. Cikgu-cikgu boleh pergi ke dua channel ni lah. Okay, Teacher Shi nak kongsi Teacher Shi punya ada YouTube ke, ada TikTok ke, IG ke, ada ke? Teacher Shi nak kongsi?
Okay, pergi cari Positive Shi.
Coach, apa dia?
Positive Shi, okay.
Cuba type, nanti saya komen.
Okay. YouTube pun sama, lepas tu kan Facebook pun sama, Positive Shi.
Okay. Okay. Dekat YouTube nama Positive Shi, Facebook.
Cikgu Nasiza, Cikgu Ania, Cikgu Siti. Okay. Baru masuk yang lain. Okay, baru masuk ya. Okay, tak apa. Nanti you boleh tengok semula video-video. Kalau you rasa nak tahu tentang Classpoint dan juga Classpoint AI, then you can rewatch the video again. Ya.
Okay, nanti kalau masa Classpoint dah launch AI punya features, boleh follow Teacher Shi di setiap platform dengan nama Positive Shi. Masa tu Teacher Shi akan buat webinar susulan ke untuk Classpoint AI. Tapi nantikan daripada Teacher Shi.
Kita akan share lagi sebab Classpoint mentor mata ni.
Cikgu Siti Aisyah first time join Teacher Shi. Okay, tak apa Cikgu Aisyah, lepas ni ada lagi. Boleh follow Teacher Shi dekat Facebook, YouTube untuk join webinar-webinar daripada Teacher Shi.
Ya.
Okay.
Subscribe YouTube saya, YouTube channel saya.
Positive Shi. Wah, nice. Teacher Shi sangat aktif.
Saya nampak pun sangat positif, Mam. That's why ada nama Positive Shi.
Apa ni? Sunshine.
Itu Sean and Olivia.
Okay. Okay. Saya rasa itu sahaja untuk malam ni. Terima kasih lagi sekali pada Teacher Shi. Terima kasih kepada cikgu-cikgu yang setia dengan webinar Modern Classroom Teach with Tech pada setiap malam. Pada esok hari ada sesi pagi dan petang. Sesi hari yang terakhir untuk webinar Modern Classroom Teach with Tech. Boleh bersama-sama pagi dan petang. Pukul 10 pagi, sesi 10 pagi dan sesi 2 petang. Itu sahaja. Terima kasih. Dan selamat malam dan selamat beristirahat. Thank you Teacher Shi. Thank you so much. Okay. Minta maaf kalau kesilapan-kesilapan teknikal daripada AR EduTech daripada saya sendiri. Terima kasih lagi sekali. Nice to meet you. Seronok bekerja dengan Teacher Shi. Banyak saya belajar dengan Teacher Shi. Okay. Jumpa lagi di lain waktu, di lain hari. Okay, thanks semua. Terima kasih Cikgu Wen Beng Heng. Saya harap saya betul lah saya sebut nama Cikgu. Cikgu antara yang aktif bertanya soalan. Terima kasih Cikgu. Okay, itu sahaja. Selamat beristirahat. Bye-bye. Selamat malam.
Okay. Selamat malam.
Just no stopping. Just no. What?
Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, driving in a world of my creation. You'll see, we'll defy explanation. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do, want to change the world, there's nothing to it. There is no life I know to compare with your imagination. Living there, you'll be free if you choose.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Zanaria. And this is about my digital journey, my Surface and I. Microsoft Surface helped me to be more efficient and more productive. It is small, portable and lightweight. I can do work anywhere and anytime. Long-lasting battery allows me to conduct few hours of online classes without worrying needing a power supply. Microsoft Surface improved my teaching in class. Using Microsoft Wireless Display Adapter, I could walk around the class instead of stuck in front of the whiteboard. I could interact with students at the back of the class, and this helped them to focus to what I was teaching. Using digital ink with Microsoft OneNote, my teaching has become more organized and efficient. I do not have to worry about losing my teaching notes because OneNote automatically syncs everything to the cloud and organize everything just like a paper file. During class, I can insert annotation, notes, and additional information directly to the notes. I can be efficient with my time because as a math teacher, typing mathematics formula can be stressful and time-consuming. With ink equation, I can just write the formula by hand and it will automatically insert it to my documents. Microsoft Surface has opened up many opportunities for me. I would encourage all teachers to start now to embrace classroom digitalization and to prepare our students to face Industrial Revolution 4.0. Thank you, Microsoft Surface. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Zanaria, and this is about my digital